Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make wild garlic mustard Celtuce taco in Heartopia Dreamlight Cinematic Festival event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, of course, you need to have this popcorn serving cart to make Dreamlight Cinematic Festival food. And I'm going to show you the recipe to create the wild garlic mustard Celtuce taco. So this is the recipe. You will need this item guys, the tall mustard. You can collect this tall mustard from the Onsen mountain. So this is the wild vegetable that you can collect during this event. Okay, and you will need the romaine lettuce taco. For the romaine lettuce taco, you can use this recipe. Wait. Okay, this is the recipe to make the romaine lettuce taco. You will need the romaine lettuce and the, what is this? Salsa sauce and also egg. Once you have it, you can make the wild garlic mustard Celtuce taco. Okay. If you haven't unlocked this recipe, you can use the original recipe first, the wild vegetable Celtuce taco, and you can replace the ingredient with the tall mustard like this. Okay, and after that you will unlock this recipe so you can make the wild garlic mustard Celtuce taco. Okay, let's try to cook it together. Okay, it's almost done. All right, and I've just made the wild garlic mustard Celtuce taco. Okay guys, and that's how we can create the wild garlic mustard Celtuce taco in Heartopia game Dreamlight Cinematic Festival event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.